Alright guys, this is Wolverine's Airsoft here, doing an unboxing review of just a little something. This is going to be a mystery. You'll probably find out what it is in the description. These will be used in our other wars. I could have gave that away right there, but let's get started. I haven't even opened this yet. All I did is cut open the box. Your tactical newspaper right here, tons of it. I guess it's pretty good packaging for just shipping these, but I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 smoke bombs right here, and these are from the Springfield Fireworks. Thank you guys very much. And my total was $12, and then my shipping was $12, so I guess it's pretty expensive for shipping. But oh well. This has just been my little unboxing. I'll get out to a test later on. Thank you guys for watching, and rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, this is the smoke bomb test. Give me a second and I'm gonna light it. And it's basically dead now. I think that's a pretty good burst just to distract some people. Otherwise, that was a pretty cool smoke bomb. You got some smoke in the air, and this is what's left after it. That is a tad bit hot, but it's not too bad. Like, you can't hold it. Maybe a pair of gloves, you could probably hold it in your hand. I wouldn't recommend it though. Thank you, Springfield Fireworks, for helping me out, paying for it, because I did have to use an alternative option. And thank you once again. Alright, thanks.